Hey, this is Alex Liebert with Bersham GM of Oshkosh. Just gonna cold start this 2014 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray for you. And this one is just a push to start here. Got her all fired up. It does have 10,083 miles on it. And we will get it all gassed up and cleaned up for you before it is delivered. So, all right. So I will take a step outside here. Everything sounds great. No problems at all. Only a one-owner vehicle. Last owner just didn't drive it much, so pretty much kept it in the garage. Didn't run it much, so they wanted to get rid of the sports cars. They were getting older here. Otherwise, if there's any questions that you have for me, please give me a call. Our number here is 920-966-1166. Thanks.